Welcome to CCTV. Well, good morning, everybody. This is the Asteroid Report. Okay, I pulled this up at the skylive.com, near Earth objects. You can pull this up on your computer. Right here, we're looking at 2020 UM2. Comes in on the 4th at 14:31. So today at 2:30, which this video will not be out. This is the distance, 5,711,000, blah blah, in relation to the moon. The one we seen on the second come in was 419,000 miles from Earth. So the farther out, better. 5 million miles out from Earth compared to 419,000 is quite far. It's quite a bit of difference. It's still close enough that you might be able to catch a picture of it. So now let's go over to the report, see what they say about it. We're going to click on this one, November 5th. It's JLAA, okay? Let's see what. Now, this is Asteroid. NEO is Near Earth Object 2010. They found it and they called it JLAA. They had a news report about a potential impact asteroid with Earth. Please check out asteroids near Earth. Okay, you can guys go check that out, but it's in the constellation of Sagittarius. The current right ascension of asteroid NEO 2010 is 20H46M by 12S. Now, I do not understand all that. I'm not going to try to. Declination is 15, 18, 15. And so you can read for yourself right there. So that's on the 5th, 4 million miles away. And approximately what time? They say 2,200 hours, make it about 10 o'clock at night, right? 10 o'clock at night, November 5th, and then we got November 6th, we got the UW2 coming in, November 6th. Okay, and I'm going to go over that to that one. So we can see this asteroid. We can see 2020 as reported. NEO 2020 is the date as reported. UW2 is a near-Earth object. Near-Earth object. Potential impact. Constellation of Gemini. The current right ascension of asteroid NEO 2020 UW2. There's another one, guys. It's constellation of Gemini. You have to do the research on that. I'm not doing that this morning. I'm just going to show you some of the objects coming in. So now after UW2, we have TY1 comes in on the 7th at 3:37 in the morning a.m. 5 million miles away. Pretty big, guys, pretty big. TY1, NEO 2020 TY1 is in the constellation of Monoceros, right ascension, and again, it's pretty close to us, but not to worry, God is in control. We'll keep going. So as you can see here, guys, I'm not going to go through every one of them, but DS4, November 9th, 5 million kilometers, or 14 lunar light years away, lunar moons away, 14 lunar moons, 14 million. I don't know how to understand that, guys, but you might. Anyways, I want you to see, the 10th we have another one, the 12th we have another one, the 14th we have another one. They're all about the same distance out. I think it's the planets dragging in some of their buddies called OCG, or Optical Cluster Group, OCG Optical Cluster Group, OCG. For sure. I don't think they're just asteroids popping up. That many in November, 23rd, 26th. Some are going to get pretty close right here, 1,900,000 kilometers. Pretty close. It's about 4 times, they say, the distance of the moon, the lunar moon distance. November 28th, November 29th, and then we get one for December. December, though, I want you to notice this one. We're going to go to that one and end this, but it's 50 kilometers, and look at this. This thing is a devil coming in. This is Christmas time. So here we go. This is the one, December 1st, 2020. It's really close, guys. This one might be the impact on December 1st, but anyways, hope you enjoyed this report. And I'm going to show you some meteorites and some all-sky cams I caught on some objects, meteors, asteroid stuff I found. And we'll continue with some good music. That's right, good music. I hope you enjoyed this. I'll come back with December's report later on. Now we have a couple meteor showers to talk about here. The first one is October 20th to December 10th. And this one, they said about every 7 years, this tells you about every 7 years it gets an explosion in the sky. And some of the meteors and fireballs I'll show you today are going to be some of the best ones I've ever seen from the NASA cams. Now November 6th, which is tomorrow, about when this comes out, the Illinoids going to be displaying. And it's going to be the best seen Comet 55P Temple Turtle is near the perihelion. So anyways, it's approaching by the sun. Yet it is not fresh material we see from the comets, but rather debris from earlier returns like that also happen to be the most dense at the same time. So we're going to see debris from Wormwood plus debris from this this asteroid 55PT Temple Turtle. Unfortunately, it appears that the Earth will not encounter any dense clouds of debris until 2099. Of course, it's always 100 years out, right? But let's see, I already got a lot of debris on the videos I got. And so they put everything out, and there you go. You might see up to 100 per hour, so keep your eye on that. And let's go on with some meteors, asteroids, and Pretzel planet. Have you seen the Pretzel planet floating around? I'll show it to you. No, serious.